Welcome back to again question number 7 of exercise 12.2 and manufacturing a novelty sovereign of the medal. You can read off the question, you know time to hear, okay? So directly solve on this question and read, deeply read, okay? So two types, section A, type A and B. So let novelty souvenir of type A contain X and type B contain Y. So sources, type of souvenir, this sources type A and type B, okay, and required sources is given also, and cutting and assembling, so cutting 5 unit cutting of type A and 10 unit means minute 5 minute and 10 minutes of assembling, and same 8 minute this type B and 8 minute of type assembling B, and rate the maximum optimal solution. X is a 5 rupees and 6 rupees per unit, and production required 3 hour, at most the maximum value is a at most, so that is a at less than equal to 3 hour 20 minute and less than equal to 4 hours. So this change to hour to minute, this value is minute, so you change hour to change in minute. 3 multiply 60 plus 20 minute must be equal to 180 plus 20 200 minute, okay, and this will equal to 4 multiply 60 240 minute, okay, and subject constraint constraints 5x plus 8y is less than equal to 200 minute, and 10x plus 8y is less than equal to 240 minute, and z equal to, this is a maximum z, maximum require of profit, z equal to 5x plus 6y, okay. Now solve, and then 5x plus 8y equal to 200, and 10x, simplify this question, 5x plus 4y equal to 120, this equation 1 and this 2, and solve this equation, solve roughly 8 to 10 10, okay, 10 minus 5, 5x and 8 and cut, and 200 240, this equal to 40, and x equal to 5 8 is a 20, and then after 8 putting in this equation, 5 into 8 plus 4y equal to 120, 4y equal to 120 minus 40, and 80, y equal to 20. is coordinate point 8, 20, right? बांध देखिए चार्जर, अभी सब चार्जर है लेने के चक्कर में बना देगा वो. And draw this graph of this equation, x-axis and y-axis, and this already become to 0, and x 5x 8y, 5x plus 8y equal to 200, and 5x plus 4y equal to 120. I think 120 is equal to 120, right? 5x to y. And draw graph first equation directly this side. X, y have two value. X equal to 0, x equal to 0, 8, y equal to 25, right? Right, and this value 0, y equal to the 5 divided by this 3. 5 4 ja this 40, and equation second this, make this table y x equal to 0, the y equal to 30, and this 0, and 5 divided by the 4 2s are 10, 5 4 this 24, right? Okay, draw this graph. Highest value 40 on x and the 30 on y. So y gave 30, 5 5 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6 also, and this value 40, 8, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 8 16 24 32 and 40. Now this 5 10 15 20 25 and last 30. Draw this graph of equation 25, this 25 and last 40. Draw graph. Okay, and ऐसा हो गया मेरा. तुम आप सीधा करना स्केल रख करके, यह थोड़ा मोटा है. ओके, and this second equation, this first 30 and 24, this 24, and this draw graph 24. Second equation, this is equal to less than or greater than. Now this equation is a less than in this side, this, so this area is a required. This coordinate point B, this coordinate point A, or this coordinate point C. So right corner point and Z equal to result, Z equal to 4x, then Z equal to 5x 6y, then A equal to coordinate point of this 25, equation first 0, 25, B, and find coordinate point and 8, 20, and C, and then last 24, 0. See this 24, 0. Find coordinate point. Then Z equal to 0 plus 6 into 20 per second day, so 150. And then Z equal to 5 into 8 plus 20 into 6, 40 plus 180, 160, and this Z equal to 5 into 24 plus 0, 120. Maximum Z, the maximum profit of souvenir at this is a maximum, okay, 160 at this, at 8 comma 20 is 160. That's your answer. Next, question number 9. Question number 9, you can read deeply and just solve this question. Food, two food type of two food, F1 and F2. F1 food of constant equal to x and F2 distance to y. Okay, food two type, require of food x or this type y, and sources and type F1 F2 and sources. सोर्सेज हो गया विटामिन ए एंड minerals food 1 3, this is a 3 and RS 6 3 required 3 unit, and 4 and this 6 and this 3, and at most 80 is also given, at most 100 this is given, and optimal solution Z is a rate 4 rupees per unit or this 6 unit per minute. And solve this equation, and subject to constant. Okay, subject to constant 3x plus 6y is greater than equal to 80, and 4x plus 3y is greater than equal to 100, and x comma y is greater than equal because lie in first quadrant, and minimum z equal to 4x plus 6y, 4x plus 6y. So solve these equations, minimum, and now solution of the LPP, and 3x plus 6y equal to 80, and second equation 4x plus 3y equal to 100 for solution number 1. This number 2, our table this, yeah, x and y this. Suppose x equal to 0, so 6y equal to this, so then y equal to 40 by 3, 40 by 3 you can solve. Okay, this value 0 and this 0, 3, 80 by 3, and second equation, the graph table, to solution, x equal to 0, so 100 upon 3, and this y 0, this 25. Okay, and solution of this equation, this or 3 common, so this no this is multiply 3x plus 6y equal to this 80, and multiply by 2, 8x plus 6y equal to 200, subtract cut minus 5x equal to minus 120, then x equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 24, and then y equal to, putting in this equation, and 24 3s are 96 minus 72, 82, 8 8 6 by 4 by 3. Okay, this point, intersect point, and draw this graph of the equation. So take common this x-axis and y-axis. The value of x and y table, highest value of x is 0 and 43. So taking 10 gap, can take 10, right? And this table 0 40 100, right? 10 and this 20, and this 30, and this 40, and gap on the y-axis, this is also 10 gap. 10, 30, sorry 20, on this 30, and last 40 is the y-axis. This is no. Draw this graph. X equal to 0, so y equal to 40 by 3. First equation 40 by 3. Y equal to 40 by 3. 3 का means 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9. 4 1 जा 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, 30 means this 20. So this is the value here. And x equal to 80 by 3. 80 by 3, 3 2 ja 6, 26 something, 26 point this value is something value this, and draw the graph. A, okay, next equation, second, 0 by 100 by 33 something, 33, this is value 33, and 25, and 20, and this beach middle 25 value nearest to 26. Okay, and so draw the graph of equation. Yeah, this equation second, or this equation the first. Now let graph is drawn, and this intersect point and this intersect, but condition is less than or greater than. Condition is given to greater than. Greater than means this greater than and this greater than, so this greater than. Okay, this is greater than in back side, this is also greater than. this line के ऊपर वाली जो एरिया है वो greater than एरिया है, greater than and equal this area. तो कोऑर्डिनेट पॉइंट दिस हो गया, ये पॉइंट ए, दिस इंटरसेक्ट पॉइंट बी, एंड दिस पॉइंट है सी. दिस इज ए लो वैल्यू. तो कॉर्नर पॉइंट, corner points and Z solution and result also, and this right now here, corner point and Z or result. Number Z equal to, so 4x plus 6y, and corner point A is this is 26, on this point at 26, 380 upon 3, 0, and B solve here, and then 24, 4 by 3, and this C point is last. This value is a equation of second is 100 by 0, 100 upon 3, right? So find solution. Then Z equal to 4 multiply 80 upon 3 plus 0, this is equal to 32 upon 3 something, 3 1 ja 3, 0, 3 6 ja 18, or 0.6 something. Okay, and then Z equal to 4 multiply 24 plus 6 multiply 4 by 3, 3 say 2, and this equal to 96 plus 8 equal to 104, and then Z equal to 0 plus 6 into 100 upon 3, 200. The minimum value, this is a 106, this is 200, this is a minimum value. Result is minimum. Okay, so the minimum required, minimum Z required of food, okay, nutrition food equal to at, this value is a 24,4 by 3 is 104, is 10, 24,4 by 3 is 104. That's your answer. Okay, complete your exercise, read 2-3 times questions. This question will be coming in board exam where 6 marks. 6 marks question is compulsory. Okay, so important exercise or is very simple exercise, and they already coming in the board and competitions also in this chapter. Okay, LPP. Thank you.